Okay guys, so what I've decided to do for these, I'm not going to use the crawler innovations, I'm just going to use these foams. I'm probably going to have to cut the inside out a bit, or I can cut the outside because these are going to get stretched out a bit, because I'm going to run 3 layers of this magnetic tape around there to give them some weight, and also the strip that I had to cut off because it's this wide. It's a little bit too wide for the wheel, so line it up with the edge of the rim both sides. That leaves you a strip about that big. That's going to go straight down the middle and add a little bit more weight through the middle. I'll probably get 2 layers on there, and then 3 layers of this on the outside, and then it's going to be a bit big for this foam, so I'm just going to cut the inside of the foam, or I can stretch this foam over that wheel and then I'll trim the outsides. When I did that before with the element wheels, I just went around the edge, cut all that, cut both sides that way, and then I actually pinched it in the middle and cut some out of the middle and got it down about 10 mil. So that's what I'll do with these. Looks like I'll get 2 runs through there. That's getting fairly flush with the outside. So that's good. I'm happy with that. And then just cut it short when it starts to, when it hits the next lot. I'll just get some scissors. Good thing about this stuff is it's very easy to cut. It's right on that join line actually. Cut that. So there you have it, that's locked in. So that's give it a little bit of weight. And then we'll go with this stuff. I'm going to get this on pretty straight. And so this is just a cheap way. I'm not really sure why people don't like why rolling weight isn't apparently a good idea. Actually, what I did do, I think I don't think I overlapped these, I think I cut them. So I'll do that so you don't get, so cut it like so, okay, and then do another wrap, alternating the joins. It's starting to feel a little weighty now before everything else goes on. So, okay, so there you have it, and then it's going to go in there like so, so I might stretch it over it. I think I'll probably cut these foams. I could probably use the foam that actually came out of the crawler innovations. So that'll go around there like so. And how big is the wheel? The tyre. As you can see, there's still a bit of size left there, and that's gonna. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to trim that down. But once it binds with itself, it kind of welds together. Something like that. You can really stretch it too. There, once we're over the top of the layer, it's all good. So it kind of just binds it together, and then you get to a certain point. I thought you could just so there you have one, guys. It's finished. 3 layers plus the weight in the middle. That's actually a pretty weighty wheel. Unfortunately, I don't have enough magnetic tape to do any more, so this will be my experimental one. I'll just throw one together. I do have that one without anything trimmed. I'll see if I can get that in there. I think it's going to be a bit of a tight ask going in there. It's going to squash that foam up an awful lot, possibly to the point where it's not going to squash up a lot. Let's give it a crack. See if I can get it in there. It's going to be interesting, isn't it? Oh, especially getting the foam to sort of sit how I want it to. I remember I used to be worried about damaging these tyres, but they're pretty bloody hardy things, aren't they? So it's just a matter of, well, there you go, that's not bad, that's sort of in there, so it's just a matter of, yep, I'll give that a crack. That's sitting right. It's got a bit of, it's still got enough give in it, so yeah, I'll throw that one together and see how it comes up.
It's like in the very corner of the video. That's right.
Got a bit more weight in it now with that weight in the wheels. I'm going to have to somehow slow it down a bit. Yeah, those tyres aren't giving quite as much as I'd like them to. Come on, tyres, you want to grab? Struggling.